Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Today's opener, the direction says, determine the final price for each of the following. So if you go to Target, there's a DVD on sale there for $12. When you get to the register, it's taxed at 8.5%. So what's the first thing that you're looking for here? What are you trying to determine? So if it's $12 and it's taxed at 8.5%, what information am I trying to find out? Yeah, the total price, how much it's going to cost me. So in order to determine that, I need to start with step 1, which tells me to start at 100%. Step 2 is add or subtract. If it's an increase or decrease, well, tax that's going to be a add. It's going to be an increase, so I'm going to add 8.5%, which equals. Don't forget it's 108.5%. So that's step 2. Step 3 is then to change that percent to a, and I do that by divide by 100. And what do you get when you get that? What's this number now called? The multiplier. So I'm going to circle it. I'm going to use that multiplier. So step 1 through 3 are complete. I now move on to step 4. Step 4 tells me to take the original price of my item, which is $12, and multiply it by my multiplier. So when I take 12 times 1.085, I'm probably going to get a long number. No? Do I not? What do I get?
You get 13.02.
Oh, exactly? No. I thought I'd get a longer number. So if you take 12 times 1.085, you get 13.02. So since we're talking about money, make sure you have that dollar sign in front. Questions? You guys have this down pretty much, don't you? All right. The second one. To go with your DVD that you just bought, you need the DVD player. It's $119, but it's on sale for 30% off, and then it's also taxed at 8.5% at the register. So how many multipliers am I going to have here? 2. So do the first one for me, Darius.
100% minus 30% equals 70% divided by 100.
Hold up. What's 100% minus 30%? 70. Then change it to a.
Division divided by 100 equals 0.7.
And I'm going to circle that because that's my first multiplier. Second multiplier. Go ahead and do for me, Rihanna.
8.5%,
right? Okay.
equals 108.5% divided by 100 equals 1.085.
And I'm going to circle it. That's my second multiplier. Step 3. Who wants step 3? Somebody that hasn't participated. Jemiah? Okay. So multiply those 3 numbers together for me. So you get 90 point 3805, just like that. Okay. Now, this is where we're going to have to round. We're dealing with money, so I need to round to the nearest hundredth or the nearest cent. Which number is in my 100th place value? Jemiah? I think you rounded it right on your paper. Yeah. Which number is in your 100th? Yeah, you did it exactly right.
The 8.
The 8. Everything behind it we don't need except for the number directly to the right. Is that 5 or greater? No, so that 8. So the amount of the DVD player is what, Jemiah? Final answer. Good. Go ahead and pass those back toward